Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Chanda and I help people like you to make money online through affiliate marketing, financing and passive income strategies. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your income game, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing something super exciting. 5 higher paying skills I'm personally learning in 2025 that can change your life. Those skills are not just for tech genius or millionaires, they are for everyone willing to put in the work. And trust me, by the end of this video, even a 10-year-old will understand how to get started. So if you are ready to future-proof your career, boost your income, or maybe even quit your 9 to 5 job, stick around because this video is packed with value. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this with someone who need to see it. So let's dive in. First up, digital marketing. Now I know what you are thinking. Isn't digital marketing oversaturated? Well, here is the truth. Businesses will always need help reaching their customers online, whether it's through social media, email campaigns, SEO, digital marketing is here to stay. I'm learning advanced strategies like data-driven marketing and AI automation tools to stay ahead of the game. And that's what you don't need a degree to start. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and HubSpot offer free courses to get you started. Imagine getting paid to run ads for businesses or even promoting your own products. Now, let's talk numbers. As a beginner, you can earn $500 to $1,000 per month by managing small business accounts. But as you gain experience, you can easily make $3,000 to $10,000 per month working with big clients or running your own campaigns. So if you are curious about digital marketing, drop a comment below saying I'm in and I will share more resources in the description. Next on the list is video editing. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok and Instagram Reels exploding, video content is king. But here is the secret. Not everyone knows how to edit well or have the time. That is where you come in. I'm currently mastering tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. And the best part, you can start with free tools like DaVinci Resolve, even Canva. Businesses, influencers, and creators are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can turn raw footage into engaging content. As a beginner, you can charge $20 to $50 per video, which can add up to $500 to $1,000 per month. But once you build a portfolio, you can charge $100 to $500 per video, earning $3,000 to $10,000 per month or more. If you ever thought about becoming a video editor, let me know in the comments. Skill number 3 is copywriting. This is the art of writing words that sell. From email subject line to website sales page, copywriting is everywhere. And here is why it's so powerful. Good copy can make or can break a business. I'm studying how to write persuasive copy that converts reader into customers. And the best part, you can work from everywhere in the world. If you love writing, these skills can literally pay your bills. You can learn copywriting on platforms like Copy Hackers, Skillshare, or even on YouTube. Start with free resources and then invest into advanced courses as you go. Beginner can charge $50 to $200 per project, earning $500 to $15 per month. But experienced copywriters can make $5,000 to $20,000 per month working with higher ticket clients or running their own businesses. So if you want to learn more about copywriting, check out the link in the description for my favorite resources. Skill number 4 is the UX and UI design. This is about creating user-friendly websites and apps. Think about it. Every time you use an app or visit a website, someone designed that experience. And companies are willing to pay big bucks for great design. I'm learning tools like Figma and Adobe XD to create designs that are not just pretty, also functional. So if you are creative and love solving problems, these skills could be your golden ticket. You can start by learning UX and UI design on platforms like Coursera, Interaction Design Foundation, or on YouTube. Many of those platforms offer free and affordable courses. Beginner can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month, while experienced designer can make $5,000 to $15,000 per month working with top companies or freelancing. Last but definitively not least is blockchain development. Now I know this sounds technical, but hear me out. Blockchain is a technology beyond cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it is revolutionizing industries like finance, healthcare, and even real estate. I'm learning how to build smart contracts and decentralized apps. And while it is a bit more advanced, the earning potential is huge. If you are willing to put in the time, these skills could make you one of the sought after professionals in the world. You can learn blockchain development on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Ethereum.org. Start with beginner-friendly courses and work your way up. Beginner can earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month, while experienced developers can make $10,000 to $30,000 per month or more, depending on the project you are working on. So there you have it, 5 higher paying skills I'm learning in 2025 that can change your life. Whether you choose digital marketing, video editing, copywriting, UX, UI design, or blockchain development, the key is to start small and stay consistent. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out an update. Thank you for watching, and remember, your future is in your hand. See you in the next video.